Hi students, how are you all? Are you started preparing for your half yearly exam? Yeah, I'm sure that you have already started. But the question is that how will you appear the exam? Yeah, in this video I'm going to show you how you are going to appear the exam. Here we'll discuss the whole procedure. So, let's start. First of all, you have to go to the Chrome browser of your mobile phone. So this is the Chrome browser, and in Chrome browser you have to search dbsudlabari.edwin.com, and this is the page you are going to get. And in this page you have to enter your username and your password which you have received from your school. So let us insert my own user ID and my own password. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Login. So here I have successfully logged in the website. So let us make it little bigger so that we can read it properly. Yes, this is the size. So now click on menu and then click on academics and then find out online exam. This is online exam. Click on it. Let us make it little bit bigger again. So now we have to select our exam. So click on it. So here you can find the demo test. Okay, here you will find the particular subject which you are going to appear. So here it is written demo test. We are going to appear this test now. But sometime if you are not getting the test here, say you are clicking on this but you are not finding your test here, then you have to click on these three dots and you have to click on this button, that is to refresh your page, and you will find the subject. Okay, so here I am not going to refresh it because already I have got my subject. So select exam, I have to click on and then demo test, then click on go. So here is the question paper which I have got. So what is written here? First, the name of the subject is demo test and it's a 50-minute duration paper, and pass percentage is 40. And then you have to click on this start exam. But before clicking on this start exam, be very sure that the battery percentage of your mobile phone at least 90%. Okay, and avoid any calls during that exam period, because receiving any call means you are disturbing this web page and which will be difficult for you to submit the exam paper successfully. Okay, so let us start the exam. Start exam. Yeah, this is the question paper. First you will see your subject's name. Here it is written demo test and you will find your class here. Then it's a 30 marks paper. What is the time left? 49 minutes 45 seconds. Okay, now the first question, see the first question, it's a multiple choice type question where you have to select a particular answer. So let us select it. The main source of energy is sun, so you can click on sun. If you find no, sun is not the correct answer, then you can click on the answer which you are thinking it's correct. So I am clicking on sun. After that, the next question is not a multiple choice question. Yes, here you have to write so many things. You have to write, even you have to draw the diagrams also, especially in your physics and maths. Sometimes some diagrams are required and some special symbols are also required, and it's difficult to write here your answers. Okay, it's difficult. So that's why I suggest you to avoid this and to click on this option. Why will this use this option? So that we can upload an image image means, yeah, the image of the solution. First you have to solve the numerical or that particular sum on a piece of paper. You have to click the photo of that. Okay, then you have to upload that photo here as a answer. Fine, so let us click on that. I have clicked it. Then you can see choose file. So let us click on it. Now click on downloads, then click on this portion and then go to gallery, and you can see here this is the solution which I have solved. Now see it is uploading, and that depends on the speed of your internet. It's failed to upload. Yeah, sometime I told you because of your internet issue it may create a problem, but no issue, you have to try again. So let me try it, and the same procedure, go to gallery and select the solution. Okay, so you can see it's uploading. Yes, the photo is uploaded. You can see here is the solution. Okay, now let us move to our next question. Question number 3. Read the question carefully and then start solving on a piece of paper and click the photo of that, and then the same procedure, click on this button, choose file, click on downloads, click on this and then go to gallery. The same way you select the solution of that sum and see again it is uploading. Yeah, the answer is uploaded. Okay, so you can see the whole answer is uploaded. Okay, fine. Now, so in multiple choice question, you do not have to upload any photo, just you have to click the correct answer. But the questions which are not multiple choice question, there instead of writing the things, you can use this technique to upload the photo of that solution where you have solved the sum. Now next question, question number 4. Again, if you can manage writing here, then you write it here, otherwise you go with the same process. Fine, so same way you have to do all the questions. Say this is what is the unit of work. This is a multiple choice question, so I am free to select any of the options. Okay, what is the unit of work? That is joule. Fine, so see here the page number 1 is done. I have solved it correctly. Now page number 2. So in page number 2 again you are going to get the same type of questions. Okay, again you have to solve it here, or for multiple choice question again you have to select the correct answers. Okay, select the correct option. What is the unit of force? Say unit of force is not there, so none of this is the answer. Okay, so again you can solve all this here or use the same technique of uploading your solution. Then go to page number 3. Okay, this is page number 3. Again you are finding the questions where you can show the solution or on the piece of paper and click it and paste it here. Okay, the same technique we have already seen. So 1 2 3 all the pages we have done. Now if you think that you made a mistake in page number 1, no problem, just click on 1 and that will take you to page number 1. Now again you can correct your answers. Okay, just correct your answers, and then when you are satisfied with all the answers, then click on end exam. Let us click on end exam. What it says? 6 unanswered questions present. This action will end this examination. Okay, means 6 questions are there which you have not answered. Okay, now if you want to answer them, just click on cancel, then start answering those questions which you have not answered yet. Okay, but if you do not want to answer, then again click on end exam and then click on OK. Let's see what it says. You have successfully completed the exam. You will be notified once the result for this exam is published. Means you will find the result of this exam once your teacher wants you to get the result. Okay, so you have to wait for the result, and your exam is over, finish. Okay, so this is the exam, and you can see now, yeah, exam name is this, and maximum time is 50 minutes, pass percentage is 40. Okay, 40%, but the start button is missing now, start exam. So as I told you, once you have started, you have to finish it successfully. Okay, and in between any problem regarding starting or ending or any network issue, because second time you are not going to any chance to appear the exam, so in the first shot only you have to finish your exam. Okay, for any problem you have to call or contact your teacher so that the teacher can do something regarding your exam. So I want you all to go through this demo test, and in this test you will see 3 multiple choice questions are there and 9 descriptive type questions are there. Answer these descriptive type questions by uploading the solutions the way we have seen in this video, and you must give me the feedback that what are the problems you are facing while uploading or while answering the question. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.